guys, Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some gear that was sent out to me by a company called Nimbus 9. So they sent me out a couple of cases for my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and for my Apple iPhone XR. So these cases are going to work with this car mount that they sent out. They're specifically designed to work with this car mount, and we'll get into all that as the video goes on. So let's take a look at these cases first. So these are the Cirrus 2 cases, and these are military standard drop tested. These are mount ready. These are wireless charging compatible, and these have a lifetime warranty. So mount ready, meaning that it has a powerful integrated mounting system, transforms your phone into a hub for all your integrated devices. Military standard, double layer protection, certified as a surpass, military standard, and all of that stuff right there you can read. Has real sense, so that means it's super responsive metallic buttons that brings a hassle-free user experience. And these have raised edges, 1.5 millimeter edge for extra strain protection. So let's take a look at this case and check it out here. So these cases, like I said, are specifically designed for the car mount, and we'll get into that in the video a little bit later. But there's some literature right there that explains that. And this case has a magnet within it right here. And here's a look at the case. So this is military drop tested. Here it is on the device here. So that looks very nice on this device. The black color, it has some red buttons here, which look really good with my Note 9 having that red skin on the back of it. So here's the red buttons again here. Looks really nice. Now this has a matte feel to it, and it feels good in the hand. So here are the cutouts at the bottom. You can see you got the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. You got your charging port, microphone, speaker, and all important. Let's see how that pen comes out, nice and easy. So a great cutout for that. And then your power button over here, Bixby up and down. And at the top, you got a microphone right there. So let's check out these buttons here. See how they work. So no problem with the buttons. They work really good. My Bixby button is not activated. And here's the power button. So excellent looking case on this device. So let's get over to the iPhone XR. So the specs on this one are pretty much the same. Yes, everything's the same on this one. You can pause it, read that yourself if you need to. So let's get into the case and check it out. So this one is a blue color case. That one, let's see what this one's called. I didn't read to see. So this one they're calling black. And make sure that this is blue. Yeah, this one's a midnight blue. That's what this one's called, guys. And it is a very nice looking case as well. So there it is. It does have that magnet on the inside of it. These are rugged style. This is a really nice looking case here. So let's drop the iPhone in it and check it out here. So this is a nice snug fit for the iPhone. There it is. Here's the back of it. You can see that nice blue color. That looks good. Now with this one, the buttons have a silver color to them. Well, your power button has a silver color. And then on this side, volume up and down are black. Got a nice cutout here for your mute button. And then the bottom, as you can see, everything's lined up. Looks great. And then here's the back with your camera. And yeah, this looks good. So let's check out the volume up and down button. Nice. Your power button works great as well. And I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here, so it's working excellent with that screen protector as well. So on to the mount. Guys, so let's take a look at the car mount here. But before we get into the car mount, They also sent me out this little bracelet here, Hero's Heart. And what Hero's Heart does is for every purchase of these devices right here, they will donate a meal to an orphan in need. So I think that's a very good idea right there. If you want to learn more or read more about that, then you can head over to heroesheart.org and get you some more information about that. Sounds like a great cause. So here's the box for the car mount, Nimbus 9, as you can see. This also has a lifetime warranty. What's included in here is one magnet mount, one surface attachment, one vent clip attachment, and one metal insert. So here it is right here. Works best with the Nimbus 9 mount ready cases. This is a powerful bank of magnets, firmly secure your device to the mount. This has a 360-degree surface attachment that firmly adheres to any flat surface, easy to remove. It has a low profile clip, fits most car vents. Lightweight metal insert seamlessly integrates with your device and provides a strong grip to the Nimbus 9 mount. So all of that said, let's jump into it here. Let me get me a knife here to cut the tape. I do have an unofficial unboxing knife. Unfortunately, it's not here today. So I had to use the one I had in my pocket. So let's take a look at what's in here. Just read all of that off. Nothing else there. So let's look at it. Oh, well. So you do get a instructions pamphlet here. This will let you know how everything works here. There's the instructions for installing the metal insert right there. And then we'll just get all the content out, take a look at it. So here's the mount. This is the part that goes into your vent right here. You also have this metal insert right here that you can put, mount to a different device that doesn't have a magnet to it. And then here's your surface mount. If you want to just put this in your car and leave it in there permanently, then that's what this would be. You would remove this part simply by just unscrewing this. Like so. And then you would put this one in and screw this back together like so. Wheel H can get it right here. And all you would have to do is, you could leave this permanently in place just like that if you didn't want to take it or use it in your vent. But I'm going to drop some pictures in here or some live photos of this, how it works in the vehicle. But just let's go around it here. So here's the mount. As you can see, it does have some branding on it right there. And here's the magnet right here. So let me show you how this works. Okay, guys. So I have my new Mobile G3 right here. This doesn't have this case doesn't have a magnet into it. But if I wanted this to work with this, all I would have to do is adhere this to there or to this case, like so. I'm just going to simulate it here. Excuse the condition of the case. And just do it like that. And then I would be able to attach my phone just like that, as you can see. And it's a pretty strong magnet as well, as you can see here. But that's what you would have to do. So let's go out to the car, check it out with these two cases right here. All right, guys, so here's the little mount right here I was telling you about. So what you can do is you can take that one and you can permanently mount it in place if you want inside your vehicle. If not, you can just use your air vent one right here. So you can see how it goes there. And it's in place pretty solid, and I like it. So here's the note. As you can see, the note's in place pretty good. It's not going anywhere. That magnet is very strong on there. So that's the note. And let's try the iPhone here. So there's the iPhone. As you can see, it's in place good, and that's what it looks like behind it. So all right,
that's
guys.
how all of that goes together.
This is very nice. You can get your cases, you can get your car mount, and you get your other accessories that go along with it. These are some very nice cases that don't add a whole lot of bulk, but they have some great protection. You can get them for different devices as well. Go over to their website and check out what they have over there. I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick this stuff up. Will H, shout out to Nimbus 9 again for providing this stuff for a review. We'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.